Sometimes it's hard to appreciate how music theory actually helps us. And this is a major problem that can hold people back from looking at music theory. So we're going to look at the harmonic minor with the idea of appreciating what music theory contributes to us. In this case, we're going to do it by writing a song, and we're going to do it in the key of C. So we understand the idea. We've got a set of notes that describe the key of C. We can harmonize that scale and get the various chords from it. And so we're going to write our song using a 1-5-6-1 progression. And that's going to be for the verse. So that's just going to be a C, G, A minor, back to C. And that's great, nice little progression, but it's boring, right? So we want to do something to help ourselves. Well, the first thing we're going to do is say, maybe, just maybe, we stay in the key of C, but we pick some different chords. Maybe we'll work with the A minor scale, the relative minor, the Aeolian mode of C. But we're going to stick with the 1-5-6-1 chords. So that's going to give us an A, it's an A minor. We're going to go to an E minor, that's our 5 chord, our 6 chord, an F major, and then we come back to our A minor. And we say to ourselves, we're proud of ourselves, we can use that as our chorus, we repeat it as many times as needed, it sounds great, but it's boring. What could we do to spice this up? Well, if we look at the notes of the A minor scale, we can change to the A harmonic minor scale. Okay, we heard the difference, it's right at the end, but it's one note. What's the relevance? Well, we change the G to a G sharp. That might have some significance if the chords we were picking in our 1-5-6 progression of A minor have a G note in them. Well, A minor doesn't, F doesn't. What about that E minor? There is a G note. It's going to become G sharp. That gives us an E major chord. Now that chorus progression is going to go A minor, E major, F major, and back to an A minor. Is it a big deal? Well, no, but it made a change. It made something more interesting. It made our chorus a little more entertaining just by knowing the contribution we can make using an A harmonic minor scale. A little bit of theory, a few ideas in there about harmonizing scales, but now we have a very fundamental application we can use, a context for our particular little bit of music theory.